I just moved shops, so it's time to check out my local AutoZone to see what products they have on the shelves. Take you guys in and show you what I would pick at my local AutoZone. So first thing you notice on the end cap is this Wash and Shine kit by Chemical Guys. This is a fine kit. It comes with tire shine soap and Diablo wheel cleaner. I think the coolest part about this kit is the bucket it actually comes in. It is $50, but it will get you kind of the basics that you need, grit guard and stuff. Armor All tried to do the same for about half as much. I just stay away from Armor All products. I did check to see if this Chemical Guys was just a sticker, but it's not. It won't come off, so you will have to deal with that. But a cool bucket, and for $50 can kind of get you started. As I looked down the aisle of doom, I was trying to kind of figure out how they had everything organized. It looked like it was kind of brand blocked, and again, I just kind of stay away from the Armor All stuff. But then I noticed, well, maybe it kind of starts with interior stuff, so that's where we'll kind of start with interiors. And first, I picked up the Luxe Leather. This is good if you want to shine. It's more of a interior detailer with shine, whereas the Dash and Glass that I pick up second, I'd probably reach for that, is more of just a true interior detailer. It's not going to give you any shine at all. And then I kind of step back because I'm like, what's going on here? I'm a little confused of how they have it organized, especially when you look here and they have the Meguiar's paint glosser right with the interior stuff, and none of this Meguiar's interior stuff I think is worth it anyway. The 303 Protectant, again, if you're just looking for a matte finish, no cleaning ability. And then I saw one of my favorite interiors. This is the Hybrid Solutions with the Flare Sol, their mist interior detailer. It's going to be very similar to Dash and Glass. Kind of stay away from the carpet stuff because I don't really like it. And then it took me a second again, but I spotted my favorite wheel and tire cleaner, and I'll pick it up here right in a second. There it is, the Hybrid Solutions. This is the Hyperfoam. This is just a quality wheel and tire cleaner. It's not an iron remover per se, but it does really brown the tires, and it works incredibly well. And then again, you have some quick waxes from Meguiar's kind of mixed in there, the blue bottle stuff, the green bottle stuff. If you're looking for a compound, again, kind of brand blocked right here. The Ultimate Compound, I think, is better than M105 and 205, which we'll see later in the video. It is going to dust a lot, but it works. A lot of people are big fans of the blue bottle stuff. I think if you're going to go for one of those, go for the green bottle. And then the product that started it all, Seal and Shine, still there. And in fact, I will pan in and show you the discount offer that they have. It's $11, so it's coming back down. If you don't like the streaking of Seal and Shine but want some of the protection, the spray wax is perfect. And if you're looking to prevent water spots, if you don't have deionized water, this Wax and Dry is really good to spray on the car after you wash it, as you're drying it. You could also use this, that Hybrid Solution Ceramic 3-in-1 Detailer. You could actually use that as a Wax and Dry as well. And then the ceramic spray coating is going to give you a little less protection than the Seal and Shine, but be a little bit more workable. It's also going to be a little bit more expensive. This is Meguiar's Hyper Dressing. This is pre-diluted 4-to-1, but it works really good, and you're going to get a bigger bottle of it. I would definitely recommend that stuff, as well as their iron removing spray clay. Again, a little bit more expensive to buy it like this, but I think the packaging is really nice, and it looks really good. The Last Touch Detailer, non-acid wheel cleaner, And then we get back into more brand blocking. So this is the Griots section, which Griots is very high quality stuff. I like a lot of their products. The heavy duty wheel cleaner right there is an iron remover. I was pretty surprised they had the G9. I actually did a full review on this polisher that I will link below. Really good polisher. I like it. And then they have the car wash pods. This is something that I haven't tried, but let me know in the comments below if you have tried these and if you like them. I just haven't tried it. I'd stay away from the Mother CMX. I have a video review on that on my channel. The Ceramic All-in-One, also have a video on that. It's pretty good. Their water spot remover, just stay away from it. It doesn't really work. I do like these black shines, and the heavy duty wheel cleaner is an iron remover, and I really like it. The Ceramic 3-in-1 spray wax, I have a video on this when it first came out. Talked about how it's one of my top 3 of all time. I know it's getting a lot of press lately for being really good, but I definitely highly recommend it. It is a really good one. Also, if you wanted an interior detailer or an interior cleaner, these work fine. I would probably reach for them in a pinch. And then we have Coverall. I have a video on this. I used to talk about it as the California Coverall, but this is a great aerosol tire shine that doesn't sling. Again, I have a video on that. And then we have some more brand blocking. I think if you're going to reach for anything Chemical Guys, this Diablo wheel cleaner, is a fine all-purpose cleaner. It is a run-of-the-mill, just run-of-the-mill. I will say their trim shine, this aerosol trim shines do not get enough press, but for window crowls and difficult grills, plastic grills and stuff, I really, really like this instant trim shine. Talk about the Griots and the Adams one here in a second. Also, if you're going to pick up anything from Chemical Guys, their Total Interior, this is another great product. Would definitely highly recommend. It is not going to give you any shine whatsoever, more of a matte finish, definitely a heavier cleaner than anything else. And speaking of Adams, here we go right here, a little bit of Meguiar's. We can ignore that tire shine. Wheel and tire cleaner. This may be the best wheel and tire cleaner that you can get at AutoZone. It is aggressive, and it is kind of gnarly. It's in a thicker bottle, but it does really work. Just be careful. You can get some staining. The Adams Tire Shine, again, a higher end. It's just a quality product. You get exactly what you expect to get out of it. Same with their interior detailer. I used to try it when it was blue, so I may be getting confused. That one looks like it would do some shine. But again, in and out spray, you got to have this. Even as a professional detailer, I definitely have either the Chemical Guys one or the Adams one, or even the Griots that is on the shelf. Have one of those too. I have a video of this rubber mat and liner cleaner. It works incredibly well. I compared it to a Chemical Guys product, and they both were about the same. Again, the Griots has their aerosol spray shine, tire shine, trim shine, whatever. And then I saw this Armor All car wash packs. They call them packs, pods, Griots. Speaking of car wash soaps, a lot of people will reach for the Meguiar's Gold Class. I actually like just this basic deep crystal. It foams really well. I have a video of it on my channel that I can try to remember to link below. A lot of people reach for the Gold Class. I think it's totally fine. And I haven't tried this. Have you tried this wash and wax? Let me know what you think. They used to have the 2 compartment ones, but speaking of Armor All, maybe the only thing I'd buy is their 2-in-1 foam cannon, which is right there. And I'm just not a fan of 105 or 205. I talked about it before. They have a professional. I would just go with the ultimate compound. You're going to be totally fine with just the ultimate compound for what you need. I'd probably pick up a Bug and Tar. This stuff is a little bit nasty to work with. It's stays on the surface for a long time, but it does work. And then there's your headlight restoration kits. Me personally, I would probably go with the Griots or the Turtle Wax, but as a professional, I just use my own sandpaper and stuff. Stay away from that clay kit. I would pick one of these 2 clay kits. This is the Griots, and you're going to get the ceramic spray in it, or it's perfect for these. But this little kit comes with a towel, I believe it was, and the ceramic speed shine. So it's actually a great product both ways, the towel and the speed shine, 2 great products. If you want just the puck, this puck is really good. Just make sure you clean it out after. But if you're just a DIYer at home, it's kind of cool that it comes with the $10 rebate. So you don't get the product then, but you do get a rebate. See what else here. And then we get kind of into the accessories. I was looking around for any towels that may be of any good quality. I would pick up these little like cotton foam tips. I think these are just great for little nooks and crannies. I think for the $8 that they were, $7.50, it's definitely worth it. Checking out the aggressiveness of these brushes. Great hose nozzles. I would definitely pick up these microfiber applicators. Those are super quality. You can even do a ceramic coating install. I find some better microfiber towels that I like towards the end, but don't waste your money on these. Just go to Costco and get Costco microfibers. None of these are worth their weight in gold at all. I found a couple interesting ones. This Terry Weave, which is like the XL massive drying towel that I have over at jimbosdetailing.com, which is cool, but I did find that it had a silk edge, and I just am not a fan of towels of a silk edge. I think we're way past that. We have edgeless towels like I have on jimbosdetailing.com. This one was pretty cool, similar to the XL massive drying towel that I have on Jimbo's Detailing, but it was a waffle weave on the backside. So we have the 2 different sides, which I think is actually pretty cool. As I look around, these wash mitts are okay quality too, but honestly, just use a microfiber towel. A clean microfiber towel works better than a wash mitt anyway. At least that's my preference. If you need to get in the deeper barrel of your car, they have a couple microfiber barrel brushes, wheel brushes that I think are great as well. And shoot, if you even need a pressure washer, I've never tried this one, but have you? I've seen some videos on it, and it seems to be a half decent pressure washer. So let me know if you've seen that before. Sometimes I look for the super clean. They will have it on this end cap as well, or the purple power, and I kind of tuck around the corner to see if there's any lingering accessories or chemicals, which there weren't until I flipped around. And this is when I saw the plusher microfiber towels. So these ones right here, these I would grab. I think these are really plush and nice. They felt really nice. Sometimes they'll feel a little plasticky, but these ones didn't. They were super soft. Super nice. Again, another look at the wall of confusion. And when I turned around, I actually found a product that I've never seen other people talk about, but it works really well. It does say window film adhesive remover, but if you do a lot of debadging, this is a really solid adhesive remover or stickers. It does come with a razor blade. Be careful to use that on paint, but really solid adhesive remover. There we go. That is the wall of confusion as it's known. But hopefully in this video, I've cleaned up some of that confusion, and you won't have as much confusion, and you'll have some knowledge going into it. Always make sure you check the end caps, and that's exactly what happened on my way out. I saw this end cap because this is good for deals. Stay away from the Black Magic. It just doesn't last, doesn't work. But on this side, there were some Chemical Guys deals, and then I found a Griots wash and detail kit, which I think may be your best option, as well as a bonus size ceramic 3-in-1. But this kit, again, some basics. You do get the red bucket. I think the Chemical Guys bucket is a little bit cooler, but you probably do get higher quality products in here. And I found a bonus size ceramic 3-in-1 that wasn't on the shelf, which is a huge find. I would definitely pick this up. And yeah, always make sure you look outside of the section. Again, stay away from the Armor All. You never know what you may find.